Ready to customize your navigation style on your Pixel 9? Whether you're looking to switch from gestures to the classic 3-button setup or vice versa, here's how you can do it quickly and easily. First, open up the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Display. This is where the navigation settings are tucked away. Look for and tap on Navigation Mode. Here you'll find options for gesture navigation and 3-button navigation. If you're currently using gestures but want the traditional buttons back, simply select 3-button navigation. Instantly, you'll see the familiar buttons appear at the bottom of your screen. If you prefer gestures, just select gesture navigation to go back to swipe-based controls. Some Android phones even let you swap the position of the back and multitasking buttons in 3-button mode, but on the Pixel 9, it's straightforward and clean. Just pick the mode you prefer. If you're having trouble finding these settings, no worries. Head back to the settings main page, tap on the search bar, and type in Navigation. This should bring up the options you're looking for. And that's it. Now you know how to effortlessly switch between gestures and 3-button navigation on your Pixel 9. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.